Iree is a Yoruba town in the northeastern part of Osun State in Nigeria, West Africa. It was founded by Olaromoye, an immigrant from Ipe, a town near Offa, Kwara State. Iree is one of the major towns in Borikpe local government of Osun State. It is surrounded by 7 towns and is situated in a valley amidst 7 prominent hills, which served as natural fortresses during the war. The 7-hill topography of the town makes it a beautiful attraction to the tourists, and the hospitality of the Iree people makes any visit to the town a pleasant and memorable experience that brings tourists back there again and again. Iree is also the home to the Osun State Polytechnic and the Baptist Welfare Center, which is popularly called Sanders Welfare Center. Climate in Iree is tropically wet and dry with a lengthy wet season and relatively constant temperature throughout the course of the year. The wet season in Iree usually runs from March through October every year. The town has one major market that is situated close to the welfare center, where mostly farm products and consumables are sold. The Osun Osogbo Festival is celebrated for 2 weeks in the month of August. It is believed to have a history of over 700 years and is a festival of celebration, cultural reunion, and traditional cleansing. It is a site that attracts thousands of Osun worshippers, masquerades, tourists, and spectators from diverse walks of life. The major local meal in Iree, Osun State is ewedu soup and white amala, otherwise known as amalala. White amala is made from cassava flour. We buy the flour in the market and sieve without mixing anything with it. We bring water to boil, and while the water is boiling, we clean the mortar and the turning stick. We pour the flour into the mortar and add the very boiling water into it. Then we start turning and mixing with the turning stick until it is smooth. We then take a food scoop, locally known as igbako, to mold the amala into a fine round hump. We then take about 4 nylon wraps to cover the amala in the mortar so it doesn't get cold. Alternatively, we can immediately start scooping the amala from the mortar into the nylon in different sizes and transfer to the cooler. Ready to serve. Remember, nothing is added to the water used for the amala. This is how ewedu is prepared. You buy the spinach, locally known as ewedu, from the market. Pluck the leaves away from the stalk and rinse very well in clean water. We put water to boil and add potash, locally known as corn. Add locust beans, locally known as Iree. If the locust beans is the one without salt, then you add it into the boiling water. But if the locust beans is the one with salt, you allow the spinach to cook before adding it into the pot of boiling water. Let the spinach boil for 15 to 20 minutes and you turn off the heat. Add seasoning cubes next. Then the ewedu will be crushed with a broom. There is a specially made broom for this purpose, locally called ijabe, and is kept away for regular use. Allow it to cool for some time, then serve this delicacy. Stay tuned till next time when we'll bring you more tips on how to prepare local recipes from different regions in Nigeria.